After spending the last 5 days driving the entire length of Scotland without too many hiccups. Oh god, don't hit the car! Today we're continuing our adventure along the North Coast 500, one of the most epic and windy roads to drive in Scotland. Not only that, but we're doing it in a 22-foot-long RV, and we should mention it's our first time renting one. Join us as we explore some of the best sights, stops, and adventures right here in Scotland. We got another issue, our stairs won't come up. Can't get the leg up. Absolutely nuts. We think the transmission went out.
Welcome to Scotland!
For the second half of our road trip, we're hoping to complete the entire North Coast 500. And we've actually already made it to our first stop of the day. Welcome to Dunnet Beach, a hidden gem just a few miles outside of Thurso. With over 2 miles of sand, this was the perfect way to restart our epic road trip through Scotland. If anyone can tell us what these are, they look like little worms or poops, but we have no idea. They're everywhere. We actually decided to come inside because it started to really get kind of wet out there. We did see Grandma come in with her mittens and swimsuit on.
Pretty crazy.
So crazy. We're gonna head on to Thurso now, load up on some more supplies before we continue the North Coast. We'll get some more groceries and head on out.
Yeah, keep going.
Hey babe.
Hi.
Happy 10-year anniversary.
Happy 3-year anniversary.
10 years.
Oh, 10 years. Three-year marriage. We finally saw the animal Deborah has been looking for.
There's Highland cows over there. We're gonna go check them out. Oh, it's all mud. I'm going on your side. There they are! They're so cute.
They're so cute.
They're just like eating this grass. Is that a baby Highland cow?
Maybe, I think so.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, so cute. This is the best anniversary. I'm too excited to speak. This is the best anniversary present ever.
Bye, Highland cows.
Bye-bye, cows. I think I could be stuck in a Scottish traffic jam all day long. It's a Scottish traffic jam! It is the best thing ever. That was the cutest little thing I've ever seen. Their little butts just wiggling down the road. It's great. Hi, buddy. Hi. He's peeing.
Oh, yeah?
He's peeing. That's a great welcome. Since we last checked in, things have taken a bit of a turn. The weather has just deteriorated really quickly. The wind and the rain have really picked up. I just Googled online and it's up to about 45 miles per hour gusts, and in an RV, that's just not great on these roads. So we decided to call it an early night. We found a campsite that we can stay at tonight, which is really nice to be around some other people through the storm. We have water that has leaked into the RV. The wind is literally shaking us right now. Yeah, we're just gonna wait out the storm, I guess. What a night, you guys. It has been absolutely insane. We maybe got like an hour of sleep. The storm never really let up and the winds have just gotten more intense. Just to show you guys how windy it really is outside here. Absolutely nuts. So we had like leaking last night. Things are just rattling. The whole RV has just been shaking all night. I think the issue is we're out on this point, so we're gonna try to get inland a little bit more, and then hopefully we can get out of this wind. Fingers crossed we can get out of here with no issues. We got another issue. Our stairs won't come up. We press the button and nothing's happening.
I don't know what's happening. So they're gonna see how they can manually get it in. This is just not good.
So the first thing that spaceship rental van told us to do was to try to replace the fuse. Well, one, we can't find him. Two, we looked in the fuse box and it's like completely melted. So they called us back and said, we can try to take this pin out. Hopefully it works. Otherwise, I don't know what we're gonna do. Tyler finally got the pin out, but pretty much this is the step. Actually, never mind, it's in now.
Definitely stuck.
Yeah, so
Just keep it.
I guess we can get going.
Yeah?
Finally.
Oh, finally.
It's literally been like hours, I think. Whoa! My door almost just flew off. Yeah, my hand got stuck in there. Oh, that actually really hurt.
Good, right?
Look at it, it's like all scraped up.
Oh.
It's windy out there, folks. We're making a quick pit stop because we found something so cool. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, you guys are gonna love it. It's the Anchorage bar.
Here in Scotland, even has Anchorage roots.
It's a piece of home, but it is closed, so that's kind of unfortunate. So sad.
Yep.
Next time.
Next time we'll have to stop.
We were having our day turnaround, saw some Highland cows, which were great. But now we think the transmission went out. It's blinking and saying gear unavailable, and to check the handbook.
Not a good day. Yeah, hi, we have a rental here and our transmission, I think, isn't working. It won't get out of first gear.
Spend 10 seconds while his validate that bit.
So the RV company just called us back, and now they want Tyler to remove the battery, and they sent him an email on how to do that.
This is Tyler. I'm just dealing with him on a transmission issue, and I was just wondering how to disconnect the battery, because I don't have these sort of tools it looks like I need. And I have to...
It worked?
Working.
Thankfully that worked. We are back on the road now. Pretty obvious this isn't the first time this has happened to one of their motorhomes, so.
We read reviews while we were waiting. This is pretty common, it seems like.
Gonna make the best of it though. Keep on going. Just get as far as we can, I guess. We decided to pull off after a little bit of driving because look at this view. Absolutely incredible. We're gonna have lunch here, just kind of calm down from the shenanigans of today. Hopefully things will start looking up.
He's still moving.
Okay. So Tyler and I were driving along and we saw this deer that is stuck in this fence, and we're gonna try to go help it. Tyler's running over there and hopefully we can get it out. How'd you get over there?
I just jumped.
I can't get the leg out. I feel so bad for the thing. Tyler went to go try again, but we don't have any like tools or anything with us, and we don't have like service to call anyone. So it just kind of sucks. So we thought we would give you guys a little update on the deer.
We finally saved him.
We did. He got out. It was all good. I don't know. I was in a really like emotional state yesterday about it.
She was very upset at it. Not at it, but the situation.
Yeah, but it was obviously limping away, but we like really think it'll be fine because it was just like a cut on its leg. We think it'll be okay, so that's really good. Afterwards, we were just like so worn out from the past 24 hours, everything that happened yesterday. We decided to just call it a night and come stay at this campground here. We're gonna be heading hopefully somewhere super special.
Cross your fingers.
They are going up in the sky.
It looks like it actually.
Wow.
You kind of scared?
A little bit. Windy, but we're stopping at our first place on Isle of Skye.
We have now made it to our special location, which is the Isle of Skye. We're super excited to be here. This is supposed to be one of the most beautiful places. We can definitely see why. We've just stopped at our first stop and it's stunning.
But we're not gonna go any closer because it's pure mud and I don't feel like getting my feet all wet.
And these are the only shoes I have. Looks beautiful though.
It is.
We have no idea what this place is called, but it's absolutely stunning. And just for you guys, we'll put it in our Scotland map, linked below. Stop number 2 was the ferry pools. Although they don't really look like much from the parking lot, once you get close, you'll realize that they are just stunning. Turns out that during the summer months, people even jump in these ferry pools for a cold swim. We didn't do that ourselves, but we were still left speechless by the absolutely incredible views. Afterwards, we ended up just coming to our campsite for the night. Shout out to Tyler for making such incredible food on our trip.
You haven't tried it yet.
True chef. Guys, it's officially our last full day with the RV. Kind of bittersweet, but also super excited to get rid of it. Our goal for today is to finish exploring the Isle of Skye. We did make a quick stop at Neast Lighthouse, which was a heck of an insane drive and super muddy, but it was beautiful. The coastlines and the jagged cliffs were absolutely stunning. And now we've made our way to Portree, which is a super cute town right along the coast, and they've got a really good fish and chip spot, which is perfect for lunch.
We got our fish and chips. We're gonna eat it by the sea.
Yum.
Yummy, yummy.
It's so windy. We've now made it to our very last stop here on the Isle of Skye. And although the Fairy Glen really didn't impress us as much as we thought it would, all we can say looking back on the last 1.5 weeks is wow. Scotland, you are an incredible place, and we can't wait to be back one day. Bye!
Bye.
Was it everything you dreamed?
It was pretty cool.
Is it that bad?
No. Go for it.
What happened, Tyler?
I hit the mirror on the fence. It's alright. It just changed my view a little bit. Didn't do any damage.